Good afternoon, students. Yaphib Changlei once again welcomes you. English literature ki saruk ngasi akoi 2 marks carry toba nainagani ngarang sukra akoi nainaba hogre chapter number 5 ki adu akoi thindaba tawdana ngarang gi makha tarak poina wang bakhum akoi yengminase question number 9. Please and thank you are the small change with which we pay our way as social beings. Why does the writer say so? Please somebody thank you have said small change the sale a chuba have say I am matamda sell macha say sell chabun masagi denomination a chobuna lupa changa chapi lising ani chapi nataba lupa manga chapi lupa ani chapi adumba chen a chuba amagumba ni haidana writer sina palliaba masagi akoina hingba matamda akoina mi amaga loina rakpa matamda please and thank you say adumba sela chuiba amagumba ni na hairiba akoina karigumba pot yamna hongba maikhet gumba macha amakak leina noi dok akoina lupa changa chapi puthokpa matamda dukan ma puduna phana leijarabsu mana maikhet upudu yawarbusu paisa chuiba leitabdagi akoi yolaktabusu dum yai adorabadi paisa chuiba macha gi su kanaba mafam masagi adum leibugum na ngasagi please and thank you gi tangai phadaba akoi mi amaga gi marakta mari leinaba matamda tangai phadabdu adu gi matang da hangba wahang. The writer says so because they are the little courtesies by which we keep the machine of life oiled and running swiftly. They put our intercourse upon the basis of a friendly cooperation and easy give and take instead of on the basis of superiors dictating to inferiors. Masagi writer sina adumna please amadi thank you abise chela chuiba amakak ni na magna highway maram di kaina ka madu magna ngasagi akoi gi punchirol da akoi na mi amaga loina matamda masagi akoi gi mi loina bagi akoi gi process to da hena nunga henba amadi ngasagi hena nungshi hanba oheli habina machine of life da akoi mi bagi akoi hingiba akoi gi punchi lambi sida masagi thau thak pugum na bani gari da ngasagi akoi gi natragana akoi gi karigumba akoi thong chingthok jingin tawda borsu thau thak pum da akoi kangrong jiri chelan bugumba haidi smooth relationship amakak lehanna bagi tangai phadaba adumba thogulan ବ୍ୟବହାର nei habni please somebody thank you have say masina akoi gi intercourse the relationship akoi mi amaga gi marakta leinari ba mari se yamna nungsi chana na maru mapang oina mateng pangnaba lokthok loksin tawnaba adumba ohelli habni instead of on the basis of superiors dictating to inferiors the mathak thongba mana makha taba amada makha thaba amada ngasagi angam akoi akanaring singaga ngasagi mateng namduna loba adumba imong nataba adugi ona taina bada hena nungsi chana ba mongda ohelli habni please somebody thank you have say wahi oina di sumnagi wahi amakhak anikhak oirabsu masigi magul yam chauna lei have say writer is na phongdona na honaba wahang amani makhatar po wahang mo ko yemina say why does the writer say that the bus conductor's job is a trying job kari nongta writer aduna hairi bano habni kari banowan hairi bano have say that madu the bus conductor's job is a trying job adi bus conductor gi thabak have say arai badi natte habna kari nongta writer asina bus conductor gi thaba si arai binati hairi bano the writer says that the bus conductor's job is a trying job because it is difficult to handle various types of passengers getting on board, particularly those for a free ride. He has to use loud and aggressive voice. Besides, it requires funds of patience to make passengers comfortable to get his work done easily. Writer asina conductor amagi thaba si tarai ba oide habe maramdi mahaki bus adu tongkhalakadori ba mioi passengers si adukumatik midu khena bangakta oigani aduna masagi karaumba kharadi lemna paisa piningdana tongsu yaurgadoribani adumba mi singa yarpom tamda ma tapna thotna nauna ngangubada phol daro dabni ma khon warukani khon akan basiznar kani adumba masagi thabak tu irai laina masaya pangthokpada oidaba chinpham ma oirami adugi mathakta besides it requires funds of passenger the adumba ngasagi yamna khangba kanba tangai phadaba ama o layaba ngasagi conductor sigi maki magundasu masi yamna khangba kalagadi mana ngasagi mi sing asibu phajana loina biragadi magi thabukto tara irai laina ma pangthoki besodum oiba ya keywords the yangminaji various types of passengers quality of patience in conductor passengers to me makal kena ba kayama ngasagi tongakani habni ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ, ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ, ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯅꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯟꯗꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯒꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯖꯔꯁ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯒꯨꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ. ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ. Question number 11. Under what circumstances did the author meet the polite conductor? Karamba phibamda haibani circumstances adi karamba phibamda author aduna mahak na asagi akhoi adumba mabuk mapau phoba conductor amakhak mana thenakibano haibani. The author met the polite conductor one day when he jumped onto a bus without any money in his pocket. He got the mixed feeling of annoyance and inconvenience that he might face, but the conductor told him cheerfully that he would book him through and he could go where he wanted. Masagi writer asina author asina ngasagi conductor asi thengnagibasi bus ta thengnagadabani bus ta masagi ticket khoi thadok thajin tawba pisa khomdo khomjin tawba misa adubuni conductor haribasi conductor asi mana karambam phibamda karamba mongdo thengnagibagi habani wang sisu aduna masagi author asina ma ki phikhaw da pisa amata yaudana masagi ma bus tongkhalubani ena mana khanjaba numit amakhakta mana thengnagibana aduna ngasagi mahak pesa yaudrabani na conductor na monda tati nga kadra na traga monda yamna mong tadana loina ra kadra habigi ma ikai nungsi yanaba adumba mikup amada thengnakibana adubu ngasagi conductor aduna di mongonda ngasai mahak na pesa yaudre na mana pesa yaudre na hajarubada conductor aduna michai ngasagi phasda wangang seasonal poi mohta yamna nongmi tawraga cheerfully di aina kakpira loire nangibu adu nangna chaningi mafamdo kadaidono aduda hayo haidana ngasagi yamna mawchel chawna ngasagi loina birakhibudo adugumba phibam amakhakta ngasagi makhoi ani se ihan hana thenakibani habesini wahang si pakhumna keywords ta khoi yengminasi travel without money polite behavior ngasagi conductor sigi bus tu da ngasagi author sina tongubudo mana ma ki paisa yaudana tongubani haina khanbudumani atopa amana polite behavior yamna mawu pau haba ngasagi conductor dugi lichat adubani amu yengminasi. Question number 12. How did the author expect to be treated at the hand of the polite conductor when he found that he had no money? Ngasagi mahak masagi paisa amata yauramdre na author aduna mahakna khangjaraba natramana khanjaruba mikuptu da mahak sibu polite conductor adu mana polite oi khangdribani na conductor aduna karmaina loina birakadage na mana khalam ge habani habidi conductor aduna monda kamaina loina rakadage mana paisa yaudana tung bukanba haibani wahang asigi arthade pakhum yengminasi akoi. The author expected that he would be treated badly. The conductor might say that he knew that stale old trick and asked him to get off the bus. He further thought that if the conductor was a good fellow and let him down easily, he would be faced with the necessity of going back and the inconvenience, perhaps, of missing his friend or his appointment. Pakhumasi yengminasi author aduna mana khalubadi mana paisa yauduna tonguba mikupta conductor aduna mongonda tati na loina birakani haina mana khalubana adubu masagi loina bra loina dabra haiduna atopa wari amani aduga masagi mahak na azmaina tati loina rakpa hairagadi kari mongna kari thona tati na loina ba kaudono hairagadi nang yadumba kadar fadar du tawgano nang bus dagi nang mathang stop da parwa kumda ho haibana chingba conductor duna hairakadra haina ma khallubana adumak hairaktre na oi adumak hairaktre hairagasu mangna makhatana khallubadi kari khali conductor duna yamna ngasagi mawu pau phaba ma oidana bungo nang paisa yaudrabdine mathang stop da phajana nang gyan tana kumhoro ko natra dinang kudong chata ba mayong nagani haiba matam da su mana phajana ningthijana michai chadana kumhoro ma ki mana thawama chachagani adana tholaiba kana mama unana bagi obiai natraga train dongna obiai madugi khudong chabadu amuk ma khudong chadaba on khibaya adumang na ngasagi ma na khaluba ngasagi mabu conductor aduna kamaina loiner kadagi habising aduna keywords ta yengminasi harsh treatment tati na tobira kadra habisini mana han mikupta khalubasi adagi mo phana tawbire har ga su inconvenient travel ma adum bus tu dagi kumda halo gadabani na ma madugi nungai ta khudong cha da ma na gadra habisina hatar ko wahang amu ko yengmina si question number 13 the conductor's boot had hurt the author yet he assured him that he had not. Why did he do so? On saying please I parasida akugi aiba sina author sina akugi character anikak mahakna mapungena nainari amana mahang masamak ni aduga atopa mana mahakna thengnaruba adumba conductor makaki warini hairiba conductor sina nongma mahaki makhongda nesalak matamda mahaki adum laba khop yamna lumlum laur khop conductor du khop aduna nesalak bada mak tasengna makki di mak nabadi phaurammi adubu makna kaisu thoina na de dana mana haijarameba madumna tawramliba karigino mana adumna haijinaramliba karigino haibani wangasi conductor duna makhongda netlaga mana nar phauda na de na mana conductor du da karigidongta adumna hairamliba no haibani wangasi pakhum yengmina se the author did so because the conductor was so nice. He said in an apologetic manner that he knew those were heavy boots and he got them because his own feet got trod on so much. He further said he was now treading on other people's. Then he asked the author respectfully if he didn't hurt him. Karigidamakta no hairagadi ngasagi but tongiba conductor adu na ngasagi author adu gi makhongda nesilurba matungda ngasagi mahak na yamna bebhar magaloina na warauda na ba madi ai su tangai phadabadagi mayam marakta ai su ai khong se sum nesan lakpadu dai su khom achau se ai su tongubani adu magna ai onda ngasi makti mo ina mayam da mu nele ai masi dongta yam nungai je hoktre haibada chingba yamna politely magna phongdorokpaduda asagi author mag tasenamaki di anaba phawrbasu mana nade na haijalambani habisini keywords ta yengminasi polite manners kanagumba mana yamna phajaba mongda yam no look no wahai khara asagi phongdoroklabadi akhoisu madugi matung inna akhoisu laga machadum tai haribasi author sina pina nam honaba akoi message amakhangni makhatarpa wangamu yengminasi question number 14. How did the conductor treat blind man aboard his bus? Hairiba, what is the Yauriba Adumba polite conductor Amakaki Warini? Masida Yauriba conductor Sina Mahaki bus the Tuok Tumpa Mipung Kudimaximana Kena Bami Sinduki Matungina Kena Bong the Mahakna Luine Aduka Wahanga Sikiwadi Mamit Tang Amana Mahaki bus the Tungla Abadi Mahanamato Karma Luinarami Mahana tati loina bra natraka karma mong the loine haibadu pakum yengmina say the conductor treated blind man aboard his bus with kindliness. He would not only set him down safely on the pavement but also helped him across the road or round the corner by stopping the bus. Akoina pakum masi pidringaida ai wahi kharadang haijoge madudi akoina yari makai question answer si textbook tagi yari makai koi boro tongna no hana maramdi masina textbook na hayang ultimate authority or kunina masida akoina piriba answer si tamak sumaina chiba porga idea di have laite only think akoina ningjanga dabadi hairiba sigi key points na traga hairiba nungyo waklon chidi masi yaw ba pakum piraga chodum makti soidana phangani adupu textbook na authority or na akoina yari makai textbook ta laiba words में हम दो कोई बोरो तोंनो होना बने पाखुम यंग में से महाकना महाकी बस तो ओपा में मिताम सिंबु महाकना यामना नुंशी जाना यामना थौजाल है बमों उत्तुना माना लुइनर मी है बने अदुम मागना करमायना मागी थौजाल है माना मुक्चन चावना लुइनर बनो है बदु मखा तार पवाई परेंगे सिना हाईरी मधुदी he would not only set him down safely the महाक मसागी कुमदा लंबा खक्तन नतना महाक तू मसागी माना लंबी लांटो लांजन तो कुदब लेर मगसु महाकना सोयर रोय नाम रोय kudong tiba nang laro have mapam adu phaw ma ngahak thinbiram mem adugum nang asagi bus conductor mana bus tu ma ki stop yaur pampham da mana to an kumda lamaga thadok te mi tang mi ama luina matam dadi adum ba asagi author asina ma ki wari se da yauri ba conductor du ki character quality mayama utna na ba phomdo I keywords ta yang mena si kind treatment mahak na yamna nungsina ngasagi yamna thozal haiba mong da luina bi ba up to safe location adi take the kaidama pham ama phawba yohan biramba asini makhatar ko wanga ko amuk yang mena se Question number 15. The author missed the polite conductor from his bus, but he did not mind it. Why? Conductor aduna ngasagi author adugi maikai romda laambadagi makhatana markse amuk lakhidre habani. The author missed habani. Aduga madumna lakhidaba matamda su ngasagi author asina kasu thoidona wakhal nuaitaba phauram de karigi no habani. The author did not mind it because he hoped that only meant that the conductor had carried his sunshine onto another road, spreading his good manners and kindly attitude in a rather drab world. Adumba conductor du ki phajaba lichat sajat wangang sangang yamna lewang cha taba adumba bebar thagolon khangba adumba mahaki quality gun sing aduna masagi makhoi gi maike edu nataba atopa maike amada muk soidana maki yelam lagani yauram lagani khanghalam lagani haibagi wakhlonda adugi asada author aduna magna kaisu ai mind of day na magna hongdokpane haibagi artha de ngasagi magi adumba phajaba lichat chajarado akhoi hojik adumba mangchila aba akhoi ngasagi yamna pukchel pixela aba adumba iranai atatai khatangi oina khanaraba adumba yamna dull loiraba yamna active oidraba sangsara sida mahake adumba yamna mi khonba ngamba amadi mi phajana loinaba ngamba adugumba gunna duna atop top mafamda asai phakchil laga leraba sangsara do ajuda sumu mangan amu yahulluba oiramgani ena yohanba oigani ena man asa tawjeba adumagna ngasai author duna ma he did not mind it and hiram libane keywords the yaminasi spreading civility lightning drab wall adi ngasai adumba lewang macha taba thogolon khangba haibasi ngasai mafam amade mafam amada sandorok nanaba honaba upai amani aduna ngasai author sina lawjay aba ngasai conductor duna makhoi gi laikai natraga makhoi gi maikai romda gari si lakhidra matungda Aduga makhatar ko wahang mo ko yaminasi the policeman is a necessary symbol. Why does the writer say so? Policeman haibasi ngasai tangai fadaba amakak oi haidana author sina ngasai miyo kudimaksi phajabajaba lechat chakadabani wangang sangang phajabajaba sinagadabani hairabasu adumba haina police ki tangai fadaba sadum lei ana author sina phongdok lami hairiba adu kari gino habri wahangasi aikhoi pakhom yengminase the writer says that the policeman is a necessary symbol because our society is still somewhat lower than the angels and law is a necessary symbol to maintain peace and order akhoi na parasitagi akhoi na khangba ngami madudi akhoi amana amabu yamna bebhar tauna ba amadi phajabajaba sajat lichat laigadabani haidana khoi parasitagi tami adumba yamna phajabajaba lichat phajabajaba wangang sangang sizinaraga akhoi amana amabu loina ba matamda yamna nungai ba adumba hingbada afaba adumba samaj ama oigani hairabasu karigidamakta aiba sina writer asina natraga author asina policeman amagisu tangai phadabadi adumak laigani ena hairam liba karigino haibani wahang adugi arthadi ado akhoi pakhumda akhoi hairibasi karino madudi akhoi na hingliba samaj ase tasengna makidi adugumba mapung pharaba adumba asoi angam amatta yaudraba awat pa leitraba ngasai afaba ngaktana mapung oina leiba samaj oide akhoi gi samaj asidi adumba Lairaibakta ngasai lairemba lairembi kaya na ngasai akhoi kaidong leba lamdamdo natte ba khoi gi stadi aduna akhoi gi dadi niyom ain haibase masigi tangai phadaba leba kari damakta to maintain peace and order maramdi ngasai gi akhoi gi santi natraga ing tappa mara tappa adumba samasama amadi ngasai kangkhong chaidaba niyom kanglon phajana inlaga lehanna bagi ain haibase tangai phadaba leibani haidana writer asina phongdoli keywords akoi yengminasi imperfect society akoina leiba samaj je mapung phade amadi law necessary maramasina ain gi tangai phadaba adumak leiribani haibasini ko aduna akoi makha chatharakpada parasiki Iroi loiba textbook te yaw wahang question number 17 what is the story of Lord Chesterfield who had a sweet revenge upon a Buddhist man adumba ꯄꯔꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯇ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯄꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃꯛꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯪꯂꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯕꯥꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯝꯈꯤꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯔꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯪꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ One day Lord Chesterfield met a man in the street who wanted to secure the driest footing on a wall. He remarked rudely that he would not give the wall to a scoundrel. On hearing that, Lord Chesterfield simply stepped into the road with a bow and said politely that he would always give it. Adumba masagi thainigi matamda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯟꯗꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯨꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯣꯝ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯔꯝ ꯅꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯆꯟꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯩꯄꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯡꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯇꯃꯛ ꯆꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯣꯡꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯩꯅꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯡꯕ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯩꯅꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗꯒ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯕꯦꯕꯥꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯔꯨꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯄꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞꯇ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯪ ꯅꯃꯥꯏ ꯀꯤꯟꯊꯤꯜꯂꯨꯔ ꯐꯨꯔ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯂꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯒ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯖꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯈꯤꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯖꯗꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯖꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯇ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯔꯨꯠ ꯕꯤꯍꯦꯕꯤꯌꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯔꯤꯚꯦꯟꯖ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯨꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯊꯣꯡ ꯍꯨꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡ ꯁꯉꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯨꯅ ꯆꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯣꯛ ꯑꯄꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯪ ꯇꯞꯄ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯆꯦꯁꯇꯔꯐꯤꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯄꯔꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯣꯜ